Bankruptcies of oil companies have begun in Russia. The Russian state bank VTB is initiating bankruptcy proceedings against the oil group First Oil. The debt owed to the bank is nearly 6 billion rubles. Experts note that the oil business has been affected by the tightening of American sanctions, which drove the price of Russian oil down to $40 per barrel and below, leading to a series of bankruptcies among small oil companies in Russia. According to Rosstat, half of the companies extracting oil and gas in the country are currently operating at a loss. Those companies that remain profitable have reduced their profits by more than 3 times. Another factor hitting Russian oil is the strikes by Ukrainian drones on refineries. Losses from these attacks have exceeded 1 trillion rubles. This was reported to Kommersant by Evgeny Borovikov, Deputy General Director of the insurance broker Mainj. According to Bloomberg's calculations, in 2025, Ukraine carried out 120 attacks on Russian oil facilities in the aggressor country. January was simply catastrophic for the Russian economy, says journalist Michael Naki.
January was not just a month when all the accumulated consequences began to show themselves. No, it became the month when the collapse began. The collapse of restaurants, factories, even state-owned enterprises where they stopped paying salaries. Everyone inside Russia is talking about this. From Z-Patriots to analysts, RBC to war correspondents, they are all noting a disaster has begun and fear that the worst is still yet to come.
Consumer prices are rising much faster than official statistics claim, says State Duma Deputy Delyagin on the air of Echo of Moscow radio.
At the beginning of this year, I personally felt, quite a noticeable jump in prices. Yes, I said the same thing.
Russia is being hit by a wave of business defaults, writes the publication. Moscow Times. Just last week, 10 companies defaulted. Among them are Moscow's Mosrezhinlift, the household chemicals manufacturer Clean Planet, and the online store Nappy Club. According to official data from the Bank of Russia, 11% of the total corporate loans had become problematic at the start of the year.